Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to lose weight and achieve your dream body. In this video, we'll be covering effective strategies and tips that will help you shed those extra pounds and embark on a journey towards a healthier and happier you. So let's get started. Before diving into any weight loss journey, it's important to set realistic and achievable goals. Take some time to identify your target weight and the timeline you want to achieve it in. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. A balanced diet is key to losing weight effectively. Focus on consuming nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods and excessive sugar, as they can hinder your progress. Portion control plays a crucial role in weight loss. Be mindful of your serving sizes and use smaller plates to trick your mind into feeling satisfied with less food. This way, you can still enjoy your favorite meals while maintaining a calorie deficit. Water, water, water. Stay hydrated throughout the day as it helps boost your metabolism, suppresses your appetite, and aids digestion. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily and replace sugary drinks with healthier alternatives like herbal tea or infused water. Incorporating regular exercise into your routine is vital for weight loss. Engage in a mix of cardiovascular exercises like jogging or cycling to burn calories, along with strength training to build lean muscle mass. Remember, consistency is key. Sleep is often overlooked, but it's a crucial aspect of weight loss. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep deprivation can lead to increased hunger hormones and cravings, making it harder to stick to a healthy eating plan. Stress can impact your weight loss progress. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as practicing yoga, meditation, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Taking care of your mental well-being is just as important as physical health. Don't be afraid to seek support on your weight loss journey. Join online communities, find a workout buddy, or consult with a registered dietitian or personal trainer. Having a support system can keep you motivated and accountable. Lastly, celebrate your milestones along the way. Losing weight is a significant achievement, and each step forward should be acknowledged. Reward yourself with non-food related treats, like a new outfit or a spa day. Remember, losing weight is a personal journey that requires commitment, dedication, and patience. Embrace the process and focus on creating a healthy and sustainable lifestyle. You've got this. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.